Hi. Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss about variables in Java. In this video you will learn about variable declaration, variable initialization, dynamic initialization, assignment statement, and final variables or constants. I will cover these topics of variable through coding and with some theory. And at last you will got a small challenge to understand the variables in Java. So let's start this lecture. Variables. A variable is a named memory location capable of storing data of a specified type. As in every programming language, variables are used to store values. Variables that we defined in a program can be accessed by a name we give them. A variable means you can change or manipulate the content that is stored in it. Now first start with the variable declaration. A variable must be declared before it can be used. In Java, every variable has a type. You declare a variable by placing the type first, followed by the name of the variable. The syntax of a variable declaration is this, where type is a data type, and name1 is name of the variable. If you want to learn about data types of Java, then click on link in the description. Notice the semicolon at the end of this variable declaration. The semicolon is necessary because a declaration is a complete Java statement, and all Java statements has a semicolon to make it complete. Here we have an auto-generated program of Java. Now, I will show you the declaration of the variable. In Java we have 8 primitive data types, which is int, short, long, byte, double, float, char, and boolean. You can create any type of variable for your requirement. Now write int and then variable name, int value, and then put semicolon at the end of this line. This line shows us the declaration of the variable of type integer. You can make other variable of different type like this. You can also declare several variable of same type on one line. So, how we can declare several variable here? Just put semicolon here and write the name of the second variable, int value 2. So you can create several variable of same type through this technique. A variable name can be a letter or digit and can be a sequence of letter or digits. A letter is defined as capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, underscore, dollar, or any Unicode character that denotes a letter in a language. You cannot use a Java reserved word as a variable name. As of Java 9, a single underscore cannot be used as a variable name. A future version of Java may use underscore as a wildcard symbol. Initialization. After you declare a variable, you must explicitly initialize it by means of an assignment statement. You can never use the value of an uninitialized variable. For example, the Java compiler flags the following sequence of statements as an error. An assignment statement has the following format, where variable is a declared variable, and expression is a valid Java expression. The symbol equals is the assignment operator. Notice that the left-hand side of an assignment statement consists of a single variable. Now go to the coding section. Now assign a value to this variable, just write the name of the variable, and then equal to, and at last write the value. I will write 2. Semicolon is necessary to every Java statement. Here this line show us the initialization of the variable. You can also call it assignment statement. This symbol is called assignment operator. To get the output of this variable, write s out to generate system.out.println. Now write the variable name between these brackets, int value. Now run this program. So, as you can see, we have the output of the variable int value. You can both declare and initialize a variable on the same line. For example, clear this line and go to the declaration line, put equal sign here, and then give it value 2. So, here we have the declaration and initialization of the variable on the same line. In any programming language, if you want to get output from a variable, you must have to declare and initialize that variable before the output statement. Now create another variable. So, write int value 2 equal to 10. Now create another variable to get the sum of these two variables. Write int sum equal to. Now here write the first variable name, which is int value, then put plus sign, and then write the second variable name, which is int value 2. Here this line shows us the dynamic initialization of variable sum. In dynamic initialization, you initialize a variable from the value of another variable. Now change this variable name to sum, and run the program. So here we have the sum of these two variables. Constants or final variables. A final or constant variable is a variable that is assigned a permanent value. A final variable may be assigned a value just once in any program, and once assigned, the value cannot be altered. In Java, you use the keyword final to denote a constant. For example, if you want to use the value of pi in your program, you know that the value of pi is fixed. So, here you can create a constant variable for the value of pi. To generate a constant, just write final keyword, then double, which is the type of the variable. So why we use here a data type of double? Because the value of pi is in fraction. To store a fraction value, we must have a fractional data type. Now write the variable name pi equal to, and now write the value of pi, which is 3.14159 approximately. Now here we have a constant variable. You can't change the value of this variable after assigned. Now at last I have a challenge for you. So here is the challenge for you. This is a simple rhyme. Here you have to find the number of people, sacks, cats, and kids that the narrator of this rhyme encountered on his or her journey. Now pause this video and try to complete this challenge. And when you complete it, come back to the video, and I will show you my solution. So, here is my solution for this challenge. Now we completed our lecture. If you guys like this video, then share it, and also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.